Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and right now I have a real treat for you. I am on board the Disney Destiny in the 2-story Hero Suite, room number 13,000. We're going to take a thorough tour of this Concierge suite, and you are absolutely going to want to stay in here when you're done seeing this. All right, let's take a deep dive into this Hero Suite number 13,000. As we go in the door here, on the right hand side, there are drawers and 2 closets. Lots of storage space for all your things. Hi everybody. There's a bathroom right here inside the door for your guests. Oh my gosh, those smell so amazing. All the upgraded soaps and loofah, the shower, the rain shower head here, all the way down to the marble floor. And again, lots of storage space here. All right, we'll continue on through the room here. Big full-length mirror on the right. And look at this amazing, beautiful artwork, all Hercules themed. And here's the spiral staircase right inside the door. Twinings tea. Take your pick. And these, let me tell you, are the upgraded teas like they serve in Palo. They are not the tea that is everywhere else. Cabinets with glasses. Everything's furnished and ready for you. And over here, this might look like more cabinets, but this is your refrigerator, fully stocked with anything and everything that you want. Your concierge team will bring to you. Your freezer, and of course, your freezer has Mickey bars. And ice in the bottom. Over here is part of your kitchenette with a full espresso maker, all kinds of flavors, sugar, jellies, more cabinet space with teacups in the top. And even the concierge napkins right here. Remote control for the TV right there. Here's all the information about your concierge stay and your concierge room service menu that you can put on your door for your team to bring you room service. Here's the morning menu and some of the wines, but you can request about anything you want. A table for 6. There is more Hercules artwork. And we walk into the first floor master bedroom right here. Look at that beautiful chandelier. It reminds me of the ocean, as you can see the ocean and Lookout Key reflected there. TV here. There are nightstands on both sides of the beds with lighting controls, charging ports, everything you'd need. And it's really quiet in this room. And it's because of all the plush things and the design on the wall. There's a pocket door here that can also open. So this opens out into that main living room area. Here's a little vanity here in this master bedroom. So you can get ready for your day. And coming down this hallway, there's a closet here on the right-hand side and a closet on the left-hand side with these luxurious plush robes and slippers. And here's the bathroom for this master bathroom. Again, all upgraded amenities. And they smell amazing. All of those spa amenities do. And here's the shower all marble. There's also a little corner seat right here. Comes in super handy to shave your legs. And right here next to the shower is the toilet room. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, my name is Melissa and I'm a travel advisor. I've been in business for over 12 years now, helping you plan amazing Disney cruises, Adventures by Disney, other cruises, and vacations all around the world. My planning assistance for most vacations is complimentary concierge planning assistance for you. So look me up at pixiedustadventures.com and let's get you on board with the perfect room for your family. Which right now, we're looking at Disney's Lookout Key. There's the family cabanas right there in front of me. So if you have to have a cabana, definitely the way to do it on Disney's islands. You have your own private jacuzzi tub here and chairs. Can you imagine sailing a day at sea or pulling into and out of the islands on this balcony? This is on the far aft of the ship. So you're looking back behind the ship and look at that. Can you see that glass? You can see all the way through that jacuzzi tub and see those jets. That is super cool. All right, go on back in and go upstairs to take a look at the other bedroom. All right, let's head up this amazing spiral staircase here. And this is open. Look at those floor to ceiling windows with that view. And it's open down into the main living area. Here's the second master bedroom here. Dark, rich colors. And when you step in here again, because of the carpet and the finishings on the walls, it's quiet. It really, really just absorbs the sound. Have your own vanity to get ready with this view in the morning. There are curtains here that cover floor to ceiling windows that look down into the main area. When you pull those curtains, they automatically open. So see, they're open now, and you can look down through that window into the main area. Or when we grab the curtains and give them a little tug there and step back, they magically close again for privacy. And then there's the darkening curtain over the top. You can also slide that shut to block out all the light. There's the TV. I'm loving this black chandelier. And look at the artwork on there. Nightstands on both sides of the bed. Plenty of charging ports. And then here is the closet area. Lots and lots of room. If you're a fashionista and you want to pack lots of things, there's plenty of closet space here. And everything is concierge service. Safe, slippers, and those upgraded, really soft robes. And here we are. This is my favorite bathroom on the entire ship. Look at the view. Can you imagine soaking in that tub during a day at sea? I'm seeing y'all in all the mirrors here. Double vanity, the upgraded amenities here. And over here is the toilet closet. This is definitely the way to sail, without a doubt. So I know what you're all thinking. I really don't want to be in here, step into this bathroom, take a shower. if it is dark outside and the lights are on, I'm going to be on full display to everyone. But of course, Disney's thought of that. Here are the light switches here. This right here is a night light. And this little magic switch, I'm going to get ready to push that and watch what happens to the glass. There you go. Now no one can see it. I don't even know how they do it. It's Disney magic. But check that out. Now you have a view again. That's so spectacular. I'm just goofy crazy over seeing that. So this is definitely your room for an upgraded family vacation. Now that you've seen the room, I know you're ready to get on board. So contact me and let's get you in this fabulous suite. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you think about this suite. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.